I'm gonna start doing them now by cracking the eggs. Use some fresh garlic. Cheese, this is Romano cheese. Fresh parsley, Italian parsley. Adding some sea salt. Here I have chicken breast. Put everything in the mixture. And I'm gonna give it a quick mix. Okay, here I have breadcrumbs. Get them like that, flip them, and with my other hand, I just press them so I don't get both hands in the egg mixture. Okay, so I'm gonna test the oil. It's ready. Okay, I'm gonna start frying them. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take about a minute on each side. And I'm gonna put them here, a paper towel first. Absorb the oil. Until next time, ciao for now.